Further Maths Practice Paper 1, questions 15 onwards. Okay, so work out the equation of the quadratic graph. We've got the two intercepts. So my first thought is x minus a half, x minus 5. This factor here will not give, it will give me an intercept of a half, but it won't give me a, b and c as integers. When I expand this bracket, I'll get x squared minus 5.5x plus 2.5. So to fix that, I'm going to multiply this bracket by 2. That will still give me a solution of a half. So 2x minus 1, x minus 5. And then expand that there, so I get 2x squared minus 10x minus x minus 11x plus 5. Solve sin x equals 0.8 for 0 to 180. So sin, that's 180, 0.8. So my first solution, sine inverse of 0.8. From my calculator is 53.13. By symmetry for my graph, my second solution is 180 minus 53.1. So that is 126.9. Doesn't state an accuracy, so 53.1 and 126.9. Solve 2 sine x equals negative 3 cos x. Oh, this has got sines and coses, so I think this will probably use an identity. I need to get all my x's on one side, all my numbers on the other, so I get sine x over cos x equals negative 3 over 2. So I have divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by cos x, divided by cos x. I know that sine over cos equals tan, so that is tan x equals negative 1.5. Negative 1.5, so it's down here. My first solution from my calculator is x equals tan inverse of negative 1.5, which gives me negative 56.3. I want solutions from 0 to 360, so that's not one of them, but my other solutions will be 180 minus 56.3 and 360 minus 56.3. So 123.7 and 303.7 degrees. Question 17. Work out the equation of the normal to the curve. So we're thinking perpendicular. Y equals 2x cubed minus x squared plus 1 at the point 1, 2. Give your answer in the form y equals mx plus c. So first of all I need the gradient, so dy by dx, 6x squared minus 2x, constant disappears, at the point 1, 2, so x equals 1, so the gradient is equal to 6, 1 squared minus 2 times 1, which is equal to 4. So my perpendicular gradient is negative reciprocal, so negative 1 over 4. Now I want y equals mx plus c, so y equals negative 1 quarter x plus c, 0.12, so 2 equals negative 1 quarter times 1 plus c. C must be equal to 2 and 1 quarter, so y equals negative 1 quarter x plus 2 and 1 quarter. Question 18. Diagram shows a circle with centre C. The circle touches the axis at 0, 4. The circle intersects the x-axis at 2, 0 and 8, 0. So those lines are all radiuses. Alright. Work out the equation of the circle. So it's going to be m. The centre will be m4. M will be the midpoint of 2 and 8, so m is equal to 2 plus 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 5, so it's x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals the radius squared. If m is 5, then the radius from C to the x-axis, that length is 5, so r equals 5, so it's x minus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 5 squared. I'll just check this out to the side. So this is 4, this should be 3, 5 to 2, that's 3, 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5 squared. Yes, 5 is the radius, so that should work.